automotive enthusiast. So it's another day, and it's the last day before a big storm, so I wanted to get some good progress on my wrap. So I woke up super stoked, and I was like, well, I'm gonna buckle my seatbelt so this thing stops beeping here. All right, so I thought I'm gonna do something wild. I'm gonna wrap a bumper. First time I'm gonna wrap a bumper. It's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be painful. I'm gonna do it. And then I realized that because I go through wrap faster than I can drink a bottle of water a day, I don't have enough wrap to do that. I'm gonna try to do my passenger side door. We'll see how that works out. If that doesn't work out, I'll wrap some little bits and pieces. I still got the spoiler to wrap, and I think I want to do another piece over the trunk, maybe just get a little OCD and psychotic on it, and we'll see how it goes. So the cars are warmed up. I'm warmed up because I put a hoodie on. It actually was like 90 degrees today, and let's get started. On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. Using wrap that I'm just going to mess up and order more on Amazon again. On the road again. I can't wait to get this car all wrapped up. You never want to hit your other vehicles with your vehicle. It's just, can you imagine contacting your insurance company and be like, well, I hit my motorcycle with my car because I'm an idiot. Can I get reimbursement for that? For being an idiot? Probably not. All right. Put some trim and do a little karate in case the bad guys come down the alley. Kung fu you. Here we go. The trunk is done, looking good. Got to do something about these lights, install the rear brake light, but it is pretty darn special. Special indeed. Well, as you can see, it's nighttime now, and a little recap of what I was able to accomplish. I actually started wrapping the rear spoiler, and I goofed it again, and I got it dirty, and I goofed it again. So I got the bottom wrapped. I'm gonna do some more research and see what the best way to wrap a spoiler will be, and I'll give it another go maybe tomorrow. At least I can do that inside my house, but tomorrow I do get the rest of my wrap, the new batch of wrap that I ordered. That's coming tomorrow, and hopefully it's not going to rain. And if that's the case, I will be attempting to wrap the driver's side door or a fender, or just making some general progress. But so far I can check off the driver's side door, the rear trunk and other things I want to redo, but for the most part the pillars are good to go. I'm going to treat myself tonight, and I'm going to order a few bits and pieces for the interior of the car that I need. Right now I'm testing out the heater. I've never been in the car at night and it's freezing, so I'm blasting that heater and it's working pretty nice. Okay, I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye. Let's check out the heater.